National Weather Service in Detroit, Pontiac has issued a special marine warning for St. Clair River, Lake St. Clair, until 8:15 p.m. At 6:06 p.m., Doppler radar indicated a line of thunderstorms capable of producing dangerous winds in excess of 50 knots and large hail from 23 nautical miles northwest of New Baltimore to 28 nautical miles northwest of the Ambassador Bridge, moving east at 20 knots. These severe thunderstorms will be near New Baltimore around 7:25 p.m., Grosse Pointe around 7:45 p.m., St. Clair and St. Clair Shores around 7:50 p.m., Mount Clemens Harbor of Refuge and Lake St. Clair Metro Park Marine around 8:05 p.m. Mariners can expect dangerous winds in excess of 50 knots, large hail, high waves, dangerous lightning, and heavy rains. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until these storms pass.